So now in this video, I'm going to show you guys double XL size Jaipuri kurtis, umbrella tops. Okay. If you guys wear XL of Avasa, please go for double XL of this one, guys. As these are Jaipuri kurtis, when you compare Avasa brand, it is one size smaller. Okay. You guys already know the prices which I'm going to mention is without shipping. Shipping is 100 rupees per kg. You can take 3 kurtis in 1 kg shipping. If you buy one kurti, shipping will be 60 rupees all over India. Okay, so we'll start, guys. If you like my collections, if you need my updates, subscribe to this channel. As soon as I upload any video, you guys will get a notification. Okay, so we'll start, guys. In this I've got double XL. Please don't go by the size which I'm showing here. I'm showing any open piece, but I've got double XL in that. That's why I'm showing the open piece. Okay, so we'll start. This is like Georgette material, guys, with lining inside. Full work from top till bottom. Whatever you see is work. Bell sleeves. Okay, very beautiful bell sleeves. Price for this is 900. Okay, very beautiful top. This is a simple straight cut Jaipuri kurti. You can see all work here, thread work. Even here it is thread work and little lace work. Even here you have got full lace work. Okay, price for this one is just 500. Okay, this is again lightweight cotton material. That was little heavy. This is lightweight cotton material and full heavy embroidery work here. Sleeves also embroidery and lace work. Down also you have got gotapati work. You have strings like this. Price for this is just 500. Okay, this one is rayon material. Very beautiful umbrella top. You can see both side adjustable strings and you have got full lace work here. This is heavy embroidery work here, both side adjustable strings. Even sleeves is got work like this. Okay, very beautiful color also. Price is just 550. Okay, this is again umbrella top, simple Chinese collar with full heavy embroidery work here and also on sleeves. Sleeves has embroidery here both the sides. Price is just 550. Very beautiful, simple and beautiful. Heavy embroidery, rayon material. Heavy rayon material. You can see here. Okay, both side adjustable strings. Okay, and this is full heavy work here. Price is 675 only. Okay, simple straight cut kurti, Chinese collar and embroidery work. Okay, price is 490. 490 only. This one is cotton material. Okay, very nice flared. Flare is very nice here, and here you have got strings. Strings is like this. Okay, and the price for this one is 750. You can see sleeves has this kind of little work here. 750. Very beautiful. This is a proper umbrella top. When you open the top, the flare is like an umbrella only. You can see it comes like a full umbrella. Very nice flared rayon material. Little work here. Belt here, belt also. Price is 750. Very beautiful. This is butterfly sleeves and Georgette material. You can see Georgette material with lining inside. Very beautiful. Nice work here. Butterfly sleeves. Price is 750. Georgette material. Okay, this looks like an umbrella top, but this is a straight cut top. Okay, very beautiful rayon material. Full heavy embroidery work here. Chinese collar, 600 only. Okay, guys, I have very much collection, but pieces are very few in single colors. So if you guys want to book, please take a screenshot and book it immediately. Okay, you can see this is also Georgette material, butterfly sleeves. So you can see the sleeves is very beautiful. Okay, and belt here and lining also. You have got 2 layers of lining, net and the color silver gray color lining. Price is just 1 minute, guys, 750. Okay, very beautiful. I've got XL, double XL size in this. Don't go by the open size which I'm showing you. Okay, this is also lightweight cotton. Okay, lightweight cotton, very nice flared, and jacket is also very beautiful. You can see the jacket with this Chinese collar jacket is there, full netted and full embroidery back side also. Full set price is just 800. Okay, this is nice umbrella top, very beautiful color combination. You can see This is full Gotapati work here. Down also and here also. You have strings, both the side string and heavy embroidery work. This is little mirror work and embroidery work. Sleeves has also got little Gotapati work. Price is 700. Nice flare. Okay, this is a very simple top. Daily wear umbrella top. Lightweight rayon material with belt here. Price is just 500. Very beautiful. Short sleeves, bell sleeves. Okay, this is silk cotton with lining. Okay, this is silk cotton. When you see cotton silky. Okay, sleeves inside. Okay, price is 600 only with lining. Okay, simple straight cut top. Okay, 350 only. Very nice soft rayon material. 350 only. Okay, this is with the jacket. Okay, very beautiful. You can see with the jacket. This is inner. Inner is got full embroidery here, and this is the jacket. Jacket has got full here this mirror work. Okay, very beautiful. And this full set price is just 650. Okay, 3/4 sleeves. Okay, this is a very beautiful top, guys. You can see. Okay, this is full work here. Here it is full work. Okay, price is 800. This is also Georgette material with the lining inside. Georgette material with lining. Okay, sleeves is also 3/4 sleeves. Price is 800. Okay, this is again Chinese collar and full embroidery work. You can see. This is full heavy embroidery work here and also on the sleeves. Umbrella top. Price is 550 only. This is a very beautiful top. You can see. Full Georgette material with lining, lace work down, and here it is full heavy mirror work. Sleeves is also got mirror work. Okay, and the dupatta is very colorful with lace work. Price for the set is 800 only. Okay, this is again nice colored, very nice color combination with lace work and Gotapati work. This is full nice Gotapati work. One side string like this. Down you have got nice lace. Okay, heavy embroidery, heavy work here, and the price for this top is 700 only. Very nice. Okay, this is also very beautiful. This work is entirely different, very nice. One I am wearing, the different kind of work it is. 750 only. You can see the work down here, okay, and also here, and there are strings like this both the sides. Price is just 750. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, this is again simple straight cut kurti with full inside. You have got lining, full lining. Okay, heavy embroidery work, full lining, 500 only. This is also straight cut kurti with full heavy embroidery work here. Price is 380 only. Down is print. Here it is heavy embroidery work. This is also a simple straight cut kurti with full embroidery work. Okay, price is 400 only. Okay, this is also very nice color. Pista green color, you can see. Pista green with piping on the sleeves. Okay, price is just 400. Okay, this is very nice soft cotton. Nice response I got this for this one. Full nice soft cotton bell sleeves. Nice flared. Okay, price is just 700. Okay, this is a straight cut kurti with beautiful work here. Work is very nice here, even on the sleeves. Price is just 400. Okay, this is a chicken curry set. You can see this is very beautiful chicken curry work here. Okay, and this one is pant. Okay, price for the set is 650 only. This is zip and it is open up till here. Okay, this is again very beautiful top with dupatta. Very nice colored set. Okay, you can see fully flared. Okay, this has strings, both the side strings like this. Okay, And this is very simple and heavy embroidery work. Sleeves also has got embroidery work. Flare is very nice flared. Okay, this comes with a very beautiful colorful dupatta with gotapati work. Price for the set is 900 only. Very beautiful, 900 only. Okay, this is heavy rayon material with full work here. This is full heavy embroidery work. Even on the sleeves it continues. 650 only. Okay, this one is also very beautiful. You can see nice flared cotton rayon material mix. This is full embroidery work down and also here nice embroidery. Okay, price for this one is 750 only. Very nice jacket model. You can see inner jacket with nice work here and top jacket. Inner and this is the top. Nice combination just for 650. Okay, this is a simple straight cut kurti. Lightweight cotton. Okay, nice embroidery work here and also on sleeves. Price is just 500. This is also a simple straight cut kurti. Price is just 500. Okay, this is a set. Very nice set. Nice set. You can see the color. Okay, this is a bell sleeves. Heavy embroidery work here and also on the neck part. Beautiful plazo which you can match with other pants also. Set price is just 680. I have another color in this. You can see it together only. Very beautiful light blue color with this is the pant. Okay, 680 only. Okay, two colors. This is cotton with silk cotton with lining inside, fully lining. Okay, and sleeves also inside, just a 600. Okay, this is a very beautiful set. You can see, I think many pieces I have sold here only. This is full lace work here, full lace work, even on this neck part and sleeves also. Very beautiful lace work, lightweight cotton and very beautiful pant. You can see the combination, very beautiful pant and dupatta. Okay, full set price is just 850. Thank you guys.